Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my drift car and I'm gonna do a project today. So the goal is to have a new E-Vac system. So the old E-Vac system ran straight to the atmosphere, which is not good because it creates pressure inside the crankcase and then your oil seals your leak and you lose a bit of power also. So I'm gonna try an exhaust E-Vac system. So exhaust gases E-Vac to the exhaust and not to the manifold like usual in modern cars. So today I want to find out if it even works, if it even pulls vacuum or not. I will use water for the test because I ordered a manometer, like a vacuum gauge, but it isn't there yet. So I have to use water to see how much it's sucking. Okay, so we will do that, and I will show you now the setup. Okay, so here's what I've done. This is a slash pipe, which is 45 degrees into the exhaust. It's important that it is 45 degrees and that the cut in the bottom is straight with the exhaust flow. So it enters 45 degrees here, and the pipe itself is cut at a 45-degree angle so that it matches the exhaust flow. And only then can you achieve the venturi-effect so that the exhaust gases pulls the air and creates a vacuum. I think this is not ideal yet because, as you see, I only have so that's the manifold and it goes into two pipes, and there it meets to one pipe. So I wasn't sure if to do it there because of turbulences, because here are two pipes that meet one. I'm not very sure. I have to test it, but that's what I've done so far. And when it works, I'm going to add another one here, or I will test it here. So apparently the E-Vac system into the exhaust doesn't pull much vacuum at idle, which is logical because there is not much exhaust flow, but therefore it pulls way more at higher RPMs. So this is a drift car, so this is ideal because we are always at high RPMs, or a track car or whatever. The intake PCV draws more vacuum at idle, but less at full throttle. So we will test if this theory is true because I've read it. So start the engine. Engine is running. Okay, so I did a little test rig here. So when the water drops, it pulls vacuum. Now at idle you can see that it doesn't pull much. Wait, I give you a light. That's the water level. So not much vacuum. Okay, did you see how much it pulled? It pulled like 20 millimeters of water. That's quite a lot. With the intake, you don't get that much. Okay, I think that concludes this experiment. It's only a short one. Sorry, I only had water to test it. I should have bought a manometer sooner. Like I said, it's on its way, and maybe I'll upload a video with the manometer test so you see actually how much it pulls. I think that would be a more correct way to test it. But this was just a short insight to tell you that it works and to share what I know. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope it could help you with your future project, drift car, track car, whatever. Oh, and don't run it maybe with the full exhaust, because I think because of the catalytic converter they create back pressure, and then the exhaust gases don't flow as nicely, and I think that creates turbulences, and it doesn't work that good. I'm not sure, I didn't test it, but yeah, I'm in doubt that it works the same way as this setup, because I don't run any catalytic converter or a muffler with walls. Yeah, just straight through. Okay, so bye bye.